What's going on, guys? We're doing another quick little install. Today we're gonna do the DeAutoLED lights. They're gonna be in like footwell. This is what they are. If you want to check them out, this is what they look like. I mean, this is what their other stuff. If you guys want to check them out, you guys pause the video and check them out. But yeah, so basically, I guess it'll be footwell. You're gonna take this off right here. This right there, you gotta take that off. You take that off, and then you get this right here. Well, let me get hold on. That's once you have this, you're basically gonna kind of bend this a little bit. I'll probably just take this part off. There you go. Take this part off. I'm gonna take this part out here. And then basically just two little prongs that go in there. He's gonna pull it out, and just two little holes. Two little holes that align with it. He's gonna kind of just take that off. It's pretty easy. Now let me put in the new one. Hold on. So here's the difference. You have the stock, and this is the AutoLED full well light. So yeah, you see how much bigger it is. Let me see how it fits, but yeah, let me show you. It's gonna go like this. It's gonna be the same kind of process. I'm gonna put in the two prongs inside. Two prongs. And there's two holes that should align there too. There you go. Could be like that. And now you just put this one in, put it how it was again. There you go. It did say that this is not going to be like, it's not going to fit like how it's still like, you know. But it should be fine. Now let me just plug it back in and see if it works. So I plugged it back in. It's working. I know it is during the day, so I can't really show you, but I'm gonna cut till when it's dark so I can show you guys how it looks. It's the same process over there on that side. But yeah, I'll cut till when it gets dark and I'll show you guys how it looks. I also come with this controller so you can change different colors, and like it has flash and like strobe. But yeah, it should be cool. So I'll show you guys once it's dark, right? Alright guys, so this is how it looks. It's actually pretty bright. It's really bright compared to the ones before. It is red. You can change the different colors. I'm sorry I didn't get a before shot of how they looked before, but yeah, that's how they look right now. And then look, you have the control. You can turn them off, on. You can change the color. You can turn up the brightness, lower the brightness. You got flash, strobe, fade, smooth. Pretty cool. So you just the one thing is you kind of have to get close to it to change the colors. Let me see, you change to white. So you change it to white, and then over here too, they kind of close to it. Like, there you go. You change it to white, which is pretty cool. And then you can do flash, or just flashes like that. And you can do this one too, flashing. So it looks pretty cool. I don't know why you want to do that, but then you could put fade. Let me check out fade. Fade. I don't know what fade does. I don't know. That fade's not doing anything. Strobe. Strobe just changes colors. Pretty cool too. Got a little party here or something. But yeah, guys, that's how it looks. Let me show you guys how it looks from the outside. Let me just change it back to white. Or let me do, yeah, that's fine. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next video.